Yo, what is up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to another video, guys. This was how I made $768 day trading the Nasdaq, and yeah, let's go through it, and also how I passed my live funnel account. So let's not lose too much time, and let's go through it. So on the 4 hours, we mark these 4 hour highs and these 4 hour lows. This is what we have for chosen liquidity. On the 1 hour, we have these 1 hour lows and these long session lows, which we sweep out on market open. And to highs, we have these hourly highs, we have long session highs, and then we have these hourly highs as well. And then these hourly highs, which are also 4 hour highs to the upside. On ES, pretty similar situation. The biggest difference was really that we formed a bullish S&T, and I'm going to show you guys everything. So we have these 4 hour lows, we have these 4 hour highs. We go to the 1 hour, we have these 1 hour highs, these long session highs, which were swept pre-market, but we also had these long session highs which were not swept pre-market. So yeah, market opens, we create this bullish S&T with these long session lows and with these long session lows right here, as you guys can see. Not only that, we also form with this 1 hour low another bullish S&T, so double S&T, and that's also here another bullish. Sorry guys, here another bullish S&T with these 5-minute lows down here. So as you guys can see, one S&T right here, one S&T right here, and one S&T big up here. So triple S&T. My bias is bullish. We are trading the Nasdaq because it's a lagging index. Not only that, we have all these draws on liquidity. So we have these 5-minute equal highs, which are stronger on liquidity. We have long session highs. So all these three, I can show you guys, all these three just stacked up low resistance, low time frame, low resistance liquidity, which the market will probably want to sweep. Then we have these 1 hour highs, and then all the way up here we have these Asian session highs, which are the form of take profit for the day. And the trade is pretty simple. Let's go to 1 minute and execute. We are trading, of course, on Nasdaq because it's the lagging index. We go to the 1 minute, pre-macro open, and again this week, really, I've been trading really pre-macro every single day almost, because it's just been better, honestly, and it is what it is. You need to adapt to the market conditions, and sorry guys. And I've seen that pre-macro, we have just gone better entries. We have had pretty much this week, pretty much same entries, just bullish S&T getting formed. And out of that, enter with the normal 1 minute confluences. So we're talking about fair value gap, order block, breaker block, equilibrium getting filled, and then out of that, you either wait for a candle reaction or break of structure. And today it was actually break of structure. So as you guys can see, we create a bullish S&T. So that's, for me, that is a confirmation already. Not only that, we fill equilibrium down up here, as you guys can see, equilibrium gets filled. And after that, I just entered on break of structure or equilibrium get filled. Let me mark it down so that you guys can see. And I don't even know what this is, so let's delete. We fill equilibrium, we get a break of structure of that up here. This is a move up and move down, that's a high. Create a break of structure on that, enter on that, boom. Stop loss below these 1 minute lows, and take profit all the way to these 4 hour highs, which are actually Asian session highs. And that's basically it. First take profit up here on these 5-minute highs, I take one contract out of it. Second take profit, I take one contract, and then third take profit on session highs, I take actually 2 contracts out, and then the rest was taken out up here a little bit more, and then I took everything out at this time so that I could meet the target for the day and really just pass my funnel account, because right here was when I had the money, enough, all the money to enter trade. Not the best risk to reward ratio trade, yes, but it's just been a very good confluence today, and yeah, enter I think more risk than normal today. I think just normal risk that I've been risking the last few days. So yeah,
Of course I could have placed the stop loss a little bit more tight, which has given me a mega risk to reward ratio, but because I was risking more, I actually wanted a safer stop loss. And to be honest, if I was entering on that, this break of structure here would have been enough, and then I should have entered right here on this candle, and then stop loss, below these lows, 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, or I could have just placed the stop loss right here, which would have given me the same risk to reward ratio. So it is what it is. Not bad risk to reward ratio, good trade today. Passed my funnel account, and yeah, really what's next is just do the same thing I've been doing. Risking again, same thing pretty much. Try to not over leverage, try to not over trade. Really just keep sticking to my rules, keeping the consistency, and that's really it. When you lose, not over trade. Do not try to revenge trade and make your money back. Be patient, wait for the setups to come to you instead of you going to the market to force the trades, and that's basically it. Being patient, waiting for the trade to come to me, executing, applying well the risk, applying well the stop loss, applying well the take profits, managing well the position, let your trades run, not close too early. That's basically it, just today was a clean day. On ES it actually looked quite ugly, but it was quite clean as well. But on Nasdaq it was much better. Again, the lagging index. Some people trade the leading index. I trade the lagging. It seems to work for me. It just, for me, it's better, and it makes the most sense as well, logically. So I trade what makes sense for me. And yeah, this was how I made $768 today. So there was no news as well. No news today. I don't know what are the news next week. Holy moly. Okay, we have some news. We have news on it's Thursday. Oh, no news Monday. That sucks. Okay, so I'll be very careful on Monday, lowering the risk. Tuesday, I'm going to be on vacations on Monday and Tuesday as well, but I'm going to trade anyways. So no news. So probably lowering the risk. Tuesday, only trading after the news comes out. Wednesday, FOMC day, so need to be careful with that. And again, this news could be impactful. Let's wait and see. But I'll probably be trading pre-news, and then the rest of the week is actually pretty chill. Oh no, PMI on Friday, so it's actually going to be pretty eventful next week. So yeah, let's go through it. There was also last week on Monday we also had no news, which actually I think it was a good day. I cannot remember. I need to check. I'll check it. I'll check for you guys, and then I'll come back to you pretty soon. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and basically I just checked. Yes, this Monday 14 was actually a good day. I made $174 on this day. Actually, the video is on YouTube. You guys can check it out. Which was a day where I lowered the risk because there was no news, but it was a good day trading. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I think next week will be fun. Let's see. Monday, not really looking to trade. Tuesday, we have job opening, so whatever after that happens, we'll see. And that's basically it. And really, that mentality of going to the markets and not forcing yourself into the trades and just seeing what the market does, it's the best thing you can do. Because if you go to the market saying I want to trade, you'll force trades and you'll be an idiot, you'll lose money. While if you go to the market saying I do not really want to trade today, just going to watch the market and see what it gives me, that's the best mentality you need to have. And again, you should be taking 20 trades per day. You should be taking one trade that, if you can take a trade that can change your life, then that's the trade to take, not 1,000 trades, this kind of didn't make sense, but at the same time, I think it made sense for some of you guys. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below your opinion, and that's basically it. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye, guys.